All right, and this is my name, Mnemonic assignment by Victor Corona. All right, here's a picture of me. My name is Victor Corona. The Vic in Victor rhymes with thick, and as you can see, I have thick hair. Victor can also relate to being victorious, as I want to be successful in life. Victor rhymes with doctor, and I want to be a physical therapist, which is a type of doctor. Victor Corona. Obviously, as you can see, I am Mexican, and Corona is a popular Mexican beer. Therefore, my last name is Corona. Corona means crown in Spanish. A crown can relate to royalty. Royalty often have high standards. I'd set myself to high standards. As I said in the previous slides, I want to be a physical therapist and pursue professional school.